ready?
Are you ready?
Yeah, yeah.
All right.
Go.
Okay.
Play.
There's a lot of pressure right now. So I'm not terribly used to this cube.
What's it doing right now? Is it like...
It's gonna solve it. Oh no. No.
Wow. I know Come on, Mr. Olsen.
No, it's gonna beat me.
Come on, Mr. Olsen. Don't let the machine take over. Don't let the machine take over.
I'm not that easily replaced, am I?
A little bit. Come on, come on. Don't let robots take over.
Okay, here, hold on. Oh, no.
Clock's ticking. Come on.
1 minute, 17 seconds.
Don't.
I won't break it, I promise.
I'm not worried about that.
Mr.
You should have
Olsen.
just used the speed one.
I should have.
It's bringing on the pressure. And it is done.
I'll get you next time.
Did you finish it?
Perfectly,
Oh, he was
Mr.
actually almost
perfectly
done.
solved.
I was.
Can he solve that one?
Wait, we're still filming.
I have to take.
Come on, Mr. Olsen.
There we go.
He was almost done.
Hey.
All right.
Dum, dum, dum.
No, that one won't work.
Yeah.